Hi, in this video tutorial, we will learn how to edit our Facebook post on our smartphone. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. Let's open Facebook. After that, we need to make a post to change it after. Let's click here and here and write, for example, "Hi, how are you?" Let's add a background and see what it looks like. Let's better add a picture. This one. So it will be better for our example. That's how it looks like. And now let's make a post. We are waiting for the post to be posted. The post is ready. What we need to do now? How to change it? There are three dots in the upper right corner of our post. We click on them, and there is an Edit Post button. Click on it. Now we can delete something. And just write, "Hi, I'm okay," for example. We can delete the picture and put this here and save it. We see the same post but already corrected, and our old post has changed and there is no copy of it. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.